everybody, welcome back to my channel. You can see my little dog's head right there. Ignore them. But in today's video, I'm gonna do my makeup when it's frozen. And I just like watched a video on this and I was like, hey, I want to do that. That looks interesting. And the girl that did it was, I don't know who started this, but that's the first video I saw. Anyways, I froze. Okay, I'm gonna start with this primer. This is the Avian mineral water primer, and I'm honestly scared. It's really cold. It just feels like really cold water. It's honestly, actually, that was really refreshing because it's kind of like, I don't want to say hot, but it's like, it's kind of warm in here. That felt nice. I think I'm gonna start with my eyebrows because that's usually what I do anyways. And so I didn't freeze any brushes because, like, obviously, like, I don't know, brushes, they're gonna work the same. But I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. pencil. I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows. This, honestly, it just feels really cold. And it doesn't feel as, like, what's the word? Creamy of a product. It just feels cold, more like waxier. I don't hate it because honestly, it still glides on smooth. It's just like not as creamy, so it doesn't like smudge as fast, if that makes sense. And then to fill in my eyebrows, I will be using my Wet n Wild. This doesn't feel really frozen. It still feels kind of creamy, so we'll see how it applies. It's kind of hard to brush out, honestly. Like, it applies, but like I can't really, like, it's like stiff. If that makes sense. Okay, wow, my eyebrows look atrocious, but you know, it's fine. It's whatever. And then I froze two brown mascaras. One's just clear and the other one's like tinted. I'm just gonna use the clear one. Ooh, that's really cold. I don't know how I feel about this. Actually, I don't hate it. I really want a skincare fridge. Like, that's literally what I want for my birthday. Is a skincare fridge, because applying this cold makeup just feels so nice. It feels good. Okay, I think I'm gonna do primer now. I'm not gonna like carve out my eyebrows. Or should I? No, I'm gonna apply primer first and then carve them out. I froze my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and then just a Wet n Wild water drop primer. Ooh, this is really hard. Ooh, this feels nice. Ooh, I like this. I love this primer. And it feels soothing. It's like, it's not cold to where it's like unbearable. It's like a nice, cool sensation. Ooh. I like it. You guys are so cute. And then I'm just gonna put this other primer. Ooh. This primer always comes out fast, but because it froze, it didn't come out as fast. I'm just putting this everywhere else I didn't put that primer. Basically my cheeks. Yeah, that one wasn't really that frozen. I only left this in the freezer for like 30 minutes because I just took a shower and then just took it out right after. So like everything's not like super frozen. Okay, so I froze a Tarte Tape Shape concealer. Ooh, this one's definitely frozen. I can't even put the thing back in it. And then I froze my LA Girl one, which doesn't feel as frozen, but you know, we'll see. Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer brush. The eyebrows. It still feels thick. This probably won't even blend out. I don't like this concealer just because like it's so thick. I feel like it takes forever for me to blend out. Like, I like it, but it's not like, I don't know. I'll never buy it again. It just doesn't work for me, personally. And I'm gonna take this little sponge. Ooh, this is really cool. This is kind of harder to blend out just because it's so thick in general and that it's frozen. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Urban Decay primer. Oh, it's so frozen it doesn't want to come out. Do you see that? It like barely came out. What's wrong, baby? I'll take you O-U-T and once this video is done, I'll put on your little pool. You see that? It doesn't even want to. It's so stiff. I like this feels better when it's frozen when it's not frozen, honestly. Like, wow. Well, let's see how this works. I need a fluffy brush. I think I'm just gonna go in with Boss Lady and Adele Angels for right now. I'm using Adele Angels just to set everything. I love this palette, it smells so good. Shout out to Adele. And then I'm going in with Boss Lady and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. You can see his little head poking. It's you right there. This isn't blending out that well, and I think it's just because of the eyeshadow primer. I think I'm gonna take a break with the eyes, even though I literally just did nothing. And I really want to put the foundation on. I'm gonna try the stick one first and see how it goes. Oh, that's really cold. That's really cold. I'm gonna see if this one will pump out anything. Oh yeah, this one pumped out. Ooh, ooh, this is so much colder. I like how these foundations are like two different colors on me. But it's fine because I don't know my color and I could care less at this point. Man, I just washed everything and it smells so good. I used baby shampoo. And this makeup sponge just smells so good. Ooh, this sponge is so much cooler. I'm gonna put more foundation. By the way, the stick foundation was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus stick foundation, and then the liquid foundation is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. Where, ooh, I love this sponge, honestly. This cold sponge. feels so soothing. And then I'm gonna bring it down. This feels so nice. Oh, I just realized I forgot to freeze a setting powder. Well, we're just gonna like ignore that step. I'll do it, but like, I forgot. I don't even like that setting powder I have. Like, do you think setting powders actually do something? I feel like some of them do and most of them just don't. Like, I don't feel like I need to set my face, but at the same time I do. But even if I do set it, it's still gonna get all oily. Okay, wow. It looks so smooth. Ooh. Personally, I'd call this medium coverage. Like, you can still see the red poking through. But like, I don't really like full coverage foundations. So that never really bothers me. This was really cold, but I wanted to try the liquid. Ah, my face itches. Okay, now for my concealer, I'm gonna use for under my eyes. It's the LA Girl one. Ooh, it's so frozen, it's not gonna shoot out the tube. It's so... Ooh, that's so cold. That was really cold. I don't think my little sponge. This concealer is too light for me. This looks so ghostly. From the shade Vanilla, it's like the second to lightest color before you reach the white shade. I hear you, baby. I hear you. You're a good boy. Such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Wow, I feel like that blended out so well. Is like frozen makeup the new thing to do? Because I feel like everything works better. Well, certain products just work better. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back to the eyeshadow palette and just finish up the eyes real quick. I'm getting better at my winged eyeliner, mainly on this eye. We're gonna ignore that mess. But, okay, I gotta finish up quickly before my dog just starts going crazier. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Duo Contouring palette. I feel like this got more pigment to it or something. And then for blush, I'm using my Too Faced Baby Love blush, or I'm just gonna drop it and break it. Ooh, it didn't break, my hair just fell out of my little pigment to it. And then lastly, I'm just gonna add highlighter. I'm almost done. Okay, let me just spray my face. Oh, this is so cold. Wow. Honestly, I like the way this turned out. My winged eyeliner is looking a little weird, but you know, I'm getting better, kind of. Oh wait, I forgot. I froze a lip gloss. Ooh, this is really color. But it feels so nice on the lips. Can I say goodbye to my 5 viewers, please? Thank you. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. I just reached 65 subscribers. 5 more seconds. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, yeah, leave a comment. This was actually pretty fun. Low-key, I'm gonna freeze all my like sprays. Bye.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all